What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Before we get started, do not forget to subscribe and do not forget to click the little bell so you can be updated on when I upload new videos. Alright, so I'm going to show you how I did this really simple, really cute look with my pixie cut. All I did was use some one curling iron, a 1/2-inch curling iron. I got this from Amazon and I will put the link below, and some hairspray and a drain. I wish I molded it differently. The way I molded it, I did 2 parts on the side, had the front come down, but as you can see, that was not the mold I should have done for this particular style. This style was not planned out. This style was just something that I decided to do once I started curling my hair. But if it was a different situation, if I molded it just for this specific style, I would have molded it completely differently. But I worked around it and this is what I got. I like it a lot. So go ahead and check out this video. If you have any questions, let me know down below. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Alright guys, so my hair is freshly washed and shampooed and I am about to apply my leave-in conditioner. And my leave-in I am using is the Cantu leave-in conditioning repair cream. I'm just applying a little bit on my hair to give it some moisture. I'm also applying a little bit of coconut oil as well to give me added moisture. About to comb my hair out in the direction I want to mold it. Like I said in the beginning of this video, I molded it incorrectly because this look was not the look I was actually going for. I was going for something else, but I made it work. But normally if I'm doing this style, I would mold it a little differently. So I'm applying my Nairobi foam, and this is my favorite foam to use when I'm molding my hair. Alright, so I'm about to sit under the hooded dryer for about 20 minutes and I'll be right back. So I'm applying the It's Naturals Grow Cream. I will talk about this cream a little more in my next video. So what I like to do when I am doing a mohawk style, I like to kind of zhuzh up my hair to see how it would look once it's done. So I kind of try to get the direction of where I want to do it and how I want to style it. This is totally optional. You don't have to do this. Alright, so I'm using my 1-inch flat iron and I am curling all my hair going forward. And the hair on the edge of that front strip, I am actually combing it inward. The hair in the front, I'm actually curling backward to give me more height in the front. So with the sides, I am curling it down, but when I remove the flat iron, I am pulling it to the front. So I am using my bedhead wax. I'm using that to put my hair in place. I'm going to spray a little bit of hairspray for added hold, and that is the final look. This is how it looks when it's done. A very simple, very easy style. So do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to like this video, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.